Let's learn all about lions. Roar! Lions are large cats. Do you know how big they can be? They can grow up to 2 meters long. They're known as the king of the jungle, but they actually live in grasslands and plains. Male lions are usually bigger than female lions. And you can tell the difference by males having a mane around their neck. Although there is one kind of male lion in Kenya that doesn't have one. Are lions slow or fast? They can run really fast, up to 80 kilometers an hour for short distances, nearly twice as fast as a human. Lions are the only cats that live in groups, called prides. A usual pride can have up to 3 males, 12 females, and plenty of kids. Lions can be lazy. They can sleep up to 20 hours a day. A lion's favourite time to hunt is when it's dark and the moon is below the horizon. They can jump very far, up to 11 meters. That's as long as a telephone pole if it was laid flat. What noise does a lion make? A roar! It's louder than a helicopter. Their roar is so loud it can be heard up to 8 kilometers away. That's 8 times as long as the famous Bondi Beach. It's the loudest roar of any big cat. Lions have lots of very sharp teeth. They have 3 types. Small ones at the front, very sharp ones at the back for chewing, and the big 4 canines. They can be up to 7 centimeters long. That's nearly the length of a grown-up middle finger. Lions have big furry paws. They can be up to 12 inches wide. That's nearly the length of a bowling pin. They have 5 claws on their front paws that can go in and out for when they're needed. Lions used to be all over Africa and India, but now sadly are mainly just in Africa and one tiny population in India. So what have we learned about lions? We learned that they're the king of the jungle, but they don't live in a jungle. Male lions are bigger than females and they have manes around their necks. They can run really fast. Lions live together in groups called prides. They can be very lazy. Female lions do the hunting for dinner and they like to hunt in the dark. They can jump very far and lions have the loudest roar. They have lots of sharp teeth. Lions have big paws with retractable claws. And they're found in Africa and also a little bit in India. We hope you enjoyed learning about the fierce lion. To learn about more animals and dinosaurs, please make sure you subscribe and don't forget to comment down below on what animal you want to see next. Finally, you can click the links at the end of this video for more animals or dinosaur facts. Bye, lions!